all my dear students. Let us solve the exercise 12.4 of this chapter algebraic expressions. In this chapter exercise, we have to solve the given pattern. So let's start this exercise. In this question number 1, we can observe some patterns of digits are given here. These digits are made up of some line segments. You can see the first part here. The one digit number, this is somewhat looking like 6, and these are made up of how many line segments? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 line segments has been used to make the one digit number. Move to the next part of it. 2 digits number are made up of how many line segments? These are made up of 11 line segments. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So total 11 line segments are used to make a 2-digit number. Now to make a 3-digit number, how many line segments are made here? We can see 16 line segments are used to make a 3-digit number. Let's move to the another part. You can see a 21. That means 21 line segments are used to make a 4-digit number. Now moving forward, to make a n-digit number, we can make a so many number of digits of numbers. So to make a n digits of number, what the pattern is used? 5n plus 1. You can check here. If one digit number is made, to make a number, one digit number is made like a number 6. So you can check 5 into 1, that means 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. So how many line segments are used here? 6 line segments. To make a 2-digit number, how many line segments are used here? 11. Check it. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 line segments are made to make a 2-digit number. Here, to make a 3-digit number, 16 line segments are made. So, according to the question, we have to answer how many segments are required to form 5, 10, 11 digits of the kind 6, 4 and 3, like that. So, for 5 figures, the line segments are used 5 into 5 plus 1, that is 26 line segments are used. For 10 figures, what line segments are used? 5 into 10 plus 1, that means 51. For 100 figures, the number of line segments are made 5 into 100 plus 1, 501 line segments are made. Now let us move to the B part. To make a number 4 or the 1-digit number, 4 is a 1-digit number. How many line segments are used here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line segments are used here. You can check it by using the pattern 3n plus 1. This is a pattern to be followed to make a numbers in the form of 4s. So 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. So to make a number 4 or this 1-digit number, how many line segments are made? 4 line segments are used. In this way, you can check for the another part of the question to make the how many segments are required to form 5 digits. So for 5 figures, the number of line segments are used 3 into 5 plus 1, that is 15 plus 1, 16. For 10 figures, replace this n here as 10. 3 into 10 plus 1, 31. For 100, 3 into 100 plus 1, 301. So how many line segments can be used to make a pattern like this, 4, 4 like that? So to make a 5, to make the another next number, we can use the 16 line segments for 5 figures. These are one figure, the next is 2, the next is 3, then 4, then 5 figures, 16. Now let's move to the C part. You can see it's look like somewhat 8, the number 8. This is a 1-digit number. How many line segments are used here? 7. To make a 2-digit number or 2 figures, this is the first figure, this is a 2 figures, 8, somewhat looking like 8 and 8. So how many line segments are used here? 12. To make the 3 figures, how many line segments are used here? 17. To make a 4 figures, how many line segments are used here? 22. Same way, follow the pattern 5n plus 2 to make a number of n digits number. So for 5 figures, you can check 5 into 5 plus 2, 27 line segments are made. To make 10 figures, how many line segments are made? 50 plus 2, that is 52. And to make 100 figures, how many line segments are made? 500 plus 2, this is 502. Now let's move to the next question. Here also, this is a tabular form of some algebraic expressions are given, and we have to find the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, 10th term, and the 100th term. You can see then for the nth term, the expression is given as 2n minus 1 for the nth term. For first term, what will become? 2 into 1, 2 ones are 1, minus 1, 1 will come. For second term, what is going to become? 2 into 2, 4, minus 1, 3. For third term, what is going to come? 3 2s are 6, minus 1, 5. So, same way we move to the 10th term and the 100th term, we can find the number of patterns. Okay, so in this way you can check 3n plus 2. I have solved here. That means for the 10th, this is 32 is asked here, blank here. 3n plus 2, this is blank here. For the 10th number of pattern, which what we have to do, 3 into 10, that means 30 plus 2, 32. So this is all about the exercise based on the pattern. You just replace what is asked here, what the term is asked here, replace n with that number of term, and you can get the answer. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.